6 Dubai Villa exterior transformations. From weathered tan stucco and tired gardens to crisp white limestone facades. Brass-framed pivot doors, mature olive trees, infinity pools, and resort-grade landscaping. Exterior packages start at 80,000 dirhams. A weathered Dubai Villa facade restored to crisp white. This one is in Dubai Villa. Tired front yard becomes a curated arrival sequence. This one is in Dubai Villa. Pool deck transformation, from old tile to travertine. This one is in Dubai Villa. Old plastic chairs and dated lighting termed resort-grade poolside. This one is in Dubai Villa. Run-down garden becomes a desert modern statement. This one is in the Springs. And finally, full villa exterior with feature lighting and pivot door. This one is in the Villa. Exterior projects deliver in 8 to 14 weeks. We handle facade, doors, lighting, landscaping, and pool finishing all as one turnkey package.